Question number 5. You have studied in class 9, chapter number 9, example 3, that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A point coordinates 4, minus x, B 3, minus 2, C 5, 2. This is given to you. From this I am going to prove that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. For that I have to draw a median of a triangle ABC. Suppose AD is a median of a triangle ABC on the side BC. So write it here. AD is median of triangle ABC. Median means, first of all, median means midpoint. So D is a midpoint of the side BC. So from that we can find out the point D coordinates by midpoint formula. Write it here. D is midpoint of BC side. So B coordinate, write it here since AD is median. Another name of median we can tell that midpoint. So write it here. B coordinates, that is 3, minus 2. C coordinate 5, 2. Mark x1, y1, x2, y2. By midpoint formula, you know that already midpoint formula. Tell me fast. x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. What is x1 here? 3. What is x2? 5. 5 plus 3, what it is? 8 upon 2. That's what? 4. y1 plus y2, that is minus 2 plus 2. It will give you 0. 0 upon 2 is what? 0 only. So write the coordinates of the point D, that is 4, 0. Okay. Now I got the point D coordinates, that is 4, 0. So I'll get the triangle ABD as well as ACD. I have to show that these two triangles area will be equal. That's all. First write. In first step I am taking ABD coordinates. I am going to find out the area of ABD triangle. So write the coordinate point A, that is 4, minus 6. B, that is 3, minus 2. And D, that is 4, 0. Mark x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. You know the triangle formula also, area of triangle. Area of triangle ABD. Know the formula, write it. Half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Close the modulus also. Okay, half. x1 is what? 4. y2 minus y3. y2 is what? Minus 2. y3 is what? 0. Plus x2 is what? 3. y3 is what? 0. Minus y1 is what? Minus 6. Minus of minus 6, it will give you plus 6. Close the bracket. x3 is what? 4. y1 minus y2, that is y1 is minus 6, minus y2, minus of minus 2, it will give you plus 2. Half modulus 4 into minus 2 minus 0, it will give you minus 2 only. Plus 3 into 0 plus 6, that is what? 6. Plus 4 into minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. Close the modulus. Half modulus 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 3 into 6, that is plus 18, plus 4 into minus 4, minus 16. Yes. Half modulus minus 8 plus 18, it will give you plus 10. 10 minus 16, that is minus 6. You know that inside that modulus negative value comes, you have to write the positive value only. So half into plus 6, that is 3. So I got the ABD area 3 square units. This is your first step. Next step, I am going to find out the area of ACD also. Second step, I am going to find out the area of ACD triangle. So write the coordinates 4, minus 6 and C coordinates 5, 2, D coordinates 4, 0. Mark x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. See, every triangle you have to write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 for the given points. Then apply the area of triangle formula that I have already written. So just I am applying the values in the formula. x1, what is x1 value? That is 4 into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3, that is 0. Yes. Plus x2, that is 5 into y3 minus y1, y3 is 0, minus y1, y1 is what? Minus 6, minus of minus plus 6, right? Plus x3, that is plus 4 into y1 minus y2, y1 is what? Minus 6, minus y2, that is minus 2, close the bracket, half modulus 4, 2 minus 0 is what? 2, plus 5 into 0 plus 6, simple 6, plus 4 into minus 2 minus 6, that will give you minus 8. Close the modulus. Half modulus 4 into 2, that is 8. 5 into 6, that is plus 30. Yes. 4 into minus 8, minus 32. Close the modulus. Half modulus. See, 8 plus 30, 38. 38 minus 32, that is simple 6. Yes. So half into 6, you will get the answer 3. So area of triangle ACD equal to 3 square units. Now you can verify that area of ABD, which is equal to area of ACD. Look here, area of ABD, what is the answer came? 3 square units. Like area of ACD, what is the answer came? 3 square units. Both are equal. Therefore, we can tell that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. At last, you have to write the answer like this. I am writing area of triangle ABD, which is equal to area of triangle ACD, equal to 3 square units. Therefore, write the statement median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Thank you.